Hey everybody, Lucky Jack Racing. 66 Biscayne, known as Bisquick, with the running 454, sitting here, and she's getting ready to get taken to a car show. Well, the thing is, it just dawned on me that this car show is going to be at the end of the week, and the car runs just not super great, not super reliable, and there's a few things that I need to address in the interior. So I'm going to address the things in the interior really quick, like door regulators, so I can get the window to roll up and down. I'm going to fix a few cosmetic things just on the inside, put my door panel back in. Yes, I did fix it. Don't be mad at me. I'm sorry I cut up the door panel, but hey, don't worry. I got more interior stuff coming soon. But I think that I'm going to put all the handles back on it and just make it a decent looking car so I can take it to my high school car show, because a lot of the guys there are really excited to see this thing. So let's get started. So Mama was putting my A Canada towel on there, which, for if you don't know how we got this, it was inside my seat using as a piece of padding, and I thought it was so funny that I just decided that it's going to stay with the car for a little bit. It's going to be my new package tray. But she's stuck in the back seat now, so don't make a face at it. Oh, she's rolling. Oh, there, yeah, she got out.
10 for 10.
10 for 10. Yeah. I'm righting wrongs. I know that everyone called me a hack and a few other choice words because I cut up my door panel. Well, look at this. It's back. Being held together with duct tape because Mama made it. And Mama fixed it because Mama fixes things. So now it's about to go back on my car, so it can look all pretty for the car show. Put a special category in for me. The most unique color. I don't even think I can win that. You guys kept saying how I didn't have the tools to remove the door. Well, look what I have. Wrong tool. There we go. I got it that time. No.
It went down here.
Went down here. Shoot monkey. Oh. Like where down here?
Hold on.
So I lost the clip on the door handle, so I had to go get the other clip off the other door handle, which is currently in my glove compartment. So I'll have to go pick up some more clips at the auto parts store. But it's okay, because the door panel's going back on. Sweet moment. You did a really good job on it, Mama.
Thanks.
Ow. This was the hardest part.
You're gonna have to talk over the rain today.
I know, I'm trying. I'm kind of just talking to myself right now. Okay, now it's time for the piece de resistance. The 454 air cleaner. So my grandparents gave me this because my grandfather said that I needed a proper air cleaner. So I'm gonna get that on there lined up real quick. This is what you get for having an Edelbrock.
We're already talking about swapping it to a Holly, so.
No, but it's not going on there.
They're saying the linkage. Oh, okay. Let's try one other thing. Just for now.
I mean, you had to cut a giant chunk out of that one.
Put the good element in there. We'll clean
No.
it up, and then put that lid on it. And then we can swap it out when the Holly comes.
It's the most ghetto. No.
Well, let's
no,
just see
don't
how it
take
looks.
it from me.
See
no,
how it looks.
no.
Just
Stop
see how it
putting
looks.
piece of junk,
See how it
square
looks.
body pile on it. It's not going to fit.
It's a 14-inch air cleaner. They fit like universally. Except for this one, maybe. What the crap? Fine. Pop the lid up and all so we can see what's going on.
Still doesn't sit down. Look at like stuff on. It's on the.
I mean, it's all over the thing. Linkages and. Golly.
You don't think it's for a quadrajet, do you?
Well, and I'm looking at these tabs here. I don't even know what those tabs are for. Look at it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, that's what's keeping it from setting down in there, actually. Unless.
Is it upside down?
I don't know.
It'd be cool if it was, but.
I'm getting ready to put on the new side mirror because that was the last thing I needed on the car for it to be 100% legal. Because I try to do things the right way. You gotta be kidding me. No. Wait, okay. Oh, wait. Okay. One goes there. Then what is that one for?
The West Coast Junior that just got it.
I highly doubt it has a set of those on there. Why is that not going in?
Because
It's cursed.
your fan base said it sounded like Christine. I've never seen the movie, so.
No.
It doesn't sound like Christine anymore.
Yeah, that's just.
What's wrong with that one screw?
There's nothing for apparently someone bored out the hole at some point in its life, and there's nothing for it to grab on.
Can you read something yet? I'm not even gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about.
No. As long as it stays on there, it should.
That's a pretty big mirror.
Yeah. Okay. Stupid looking if you ask me, in this gasket. That's how they say it goes. It don't look like it fits at all, but
Did you try it the other way?
yes, ma'am. That's how It says to put it on there. What? Oh.
Oh, hot dog. $15 at advance. It's a mystery gasket air cleaner spacer kit that you put on the carb and you set the air cleaner on top of it and it spaces it up for clearance issues.
Send me the link and
Is it
I'll
awesome?
go get it tomorrow.
That's awesome.
You gotta be.
What do you think, Jason?
Oh, I think that's gonna work great.
I'm taking that thing with me, right? To make sure it works?
The carb
No, the...
air cleaner? It'll work. They're standard size.
Okay.
Like the diameter.
Oh, and put some of those things that popped out while ago in my order too. Or send me a link to it.
It's not finished. Taking this thing off. Pointless. It doesn't fit.
Paint gasket is supposed to be on
Well, I don't think it's going to affect my paint much.
there. What was the issue with it? Was it causing clearance problems or?
Well, it isn't going on. Because it should hook on there somehow and then run that screw. Okay. But see.
Oh, no, hold on to your mirror, dude.
Dude, it's not going to freaking work.
Well, breaking the mirror is not a good idea either.
So try it without the gasket now.
I don't even think it's the gasket. Okay, so that goes there.
How about I hold it?
It doesn't.
It doesn't what? I bought it for
I mean, it's a Union.
United Pacific GM restoration part.
Tighten it all the way down.
What you doing?
I sent Jackson in to do his homework, and I am trying to get this mirror on, but you just punched holes in new holes because that one's messed up.
It's all walled out, so we did some new holes, so we have a nice tight fitting bracket. Wrong way.
I feel like it needs to be redone.
So we got a nice tight bracket, which hopefully will mean a nice tight mirror. Check to make sure that goes. Just a little screw may not be.
Huh?
We should put the paint gasket on the back of it too. I know Jackson was saying he didn't like it, but
Just because he doesn't like something doesn't mean we're not going to do it the right way.
Perfect. Have you got the little screw for that?
No, I don't have another screw.
Here it is. This goes in the front hole. It's not going to be perfect. Just get it kind
He
of.
had it upside down.
I wonder if there's a setting on the GoPro to make the screen on the back always stay on. The back part should kind of tilt and slide into place, and then the front screw will go. Just kind of like put the back in first at sort of an angle, slide it back, and then kind of rotate the front where the screw side is. There you go.
Now, is it okay that that thing didn't line up?
What?
That gasket thing?
Well, once you start to get it in there and it's kind of held in place, we can adjust the gasket around just a little bit. Do you need me to stop filming and grab the mirror so you can concentrate on the screw?
I got it.
Is it screwing in?
Nope. Okay.
So if you look at this, like under your hand, that kind of angles in there and then sort of rotated in place like that.
Like that? But I just didn't get it right. Just to see.
It doesn't fit great, but it helps keep the paint from getting scuffed. And also keeps the mirror from rattling all over the place when you're driving.
Okay, got that part on. Okay, that's where it should be going in.
I mean, I can see your hole's not lined up. Don't know what to tell you to go with it though.
Looking better.
Let's see. Jam mirrors are paying the bind. Let it give it a go.
Yeah, because I'm not doing it right.
I didn't say that.
I know.
I don't ever tell you that. I'm supportive.
I cheated. The mirror on my old Chevy 2 went on the same way.
If I would have known.
What?
Alright, I want to screw it down the rest of the way.
Hang on. I'm going to get this paint gasket lined up a little better. Maybe. Maybe not.
Get a hold of it where I've got it. Get a hold of it where my hand is so I can get it. My shop is dirty. I need to clean it so it looks better in the background of YouTube videos.
Alright.
Now give it a little shake. Oh, look how solid that is. Way to go, hon. You installed your first mirror. That's awesome.
You're totally not have me in the frame.
I did too. Until you backed up and stood up, you were in the frame. Are you proud of yourself? You should be.
I'm super proud of myself. You know how Maddie's gonna be?
He'll get over it. Sweet. Way to go. Good job, honey.
Not gonna fix the carburetor?
Mommy time in the shop.
So, obviously you saw that the air cleaner did not fit. So, what we did was we went to the auto parts store this morning, and keep in mind this is at 7:15 or 7:45, whatever time it is, in the morning. I'm out here before school, and we got carb spacers. Well, not even carb spacers, air cleaner spacers, excuse me. It's early. This is a 1 inch with like a 1/4 inch stacked on top of each other, something like that. And we're just gonna put these on there because it needs all the clearance it can get. It's not gonna sit perfectly flat because of that little notch right there in it, but hi. Looks pretty good. Let me find the wing nut. Wait, let's make sure that the lid is center. There we go. And I'm gonna hook up the evap hose real quick. It's over here. Hook it up. Oh, it may not.
You wanna switch places?
Ah, crap. Yeah, no, it's not going on. Okay, whatever. We're just not gonna have one. Actually, we need one. And that jacked up the air cleaner.
Here.
It's fine. It's just gonna sit back here. I hate those things.
Alright,
They don't
hold
work.
on, let me see if I can finish.
Well, you can't because it's not the right size hose for the back.
Do they have it at the auto parts store?
No, ma'am, they don't. Don't need it. Okay, that's cool. It's on there, not right at all, but okay, whatever. It looks fine. Well, we did get to make it to the car show. Was it a struggle to get there? Yes, very much so. But so it was a joint effort because I didn't even get to drive anything. I had to go to the school to help set up because I'm the president of the club that helps run the car show, and then I'm a member of another club that also runs the car show. So basically I just had to go set everything up with my buddies. So we spent the morning setting stuff up, and I get this wonderful text that says nothing will start. They were not talking about my cars, they were talking about my grandparents' cars, but it wouldn't start, but we got things worked out. And then I get another bit of text a little bit later that says, Biscayne is dead. Great. Turns out that the Biscayne keeps losing fuel pressure due to junk in the fuel lines. It'll clog it. It'll be fine for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll build enough pressure that it just, all that crap gets pushed into the fuel line, and it just gets lodged in there, and it just blocks off the line completely. So you just lose all sorts of fuel pressure, and then it sputters out and dies. But once you let it sit for a second, it'll fire right back up because it loses pressure, and all that junk just kind of rolls back down the line. So the Biscayne cannot be driven for far distances now due to that. So it needs a new gas tank and new fuel lines. That is the bad part. The good part is it was really cool to get this, to roll this thing into the car show because it came in on a trailer. It was like, ooh, look, I have a fancy show car. And by the time that Dad had pulled up, all the people had started getting to where I was in the car show, to where the Camaro was sitting and my buddy's Corvette and stuff like that. So I got to roll the Biscayne off the trailer and fire it up with open headers. And all these people are looking at me like, man, this is really cool. Or, man, what are these idiots doing? I'm not really sure. It was one of the two. All my friends got to see it because they'd never seen the car before, and they thought it was awesome. What was even more awesome was there was a couple there from Saskatchewan, Canada. And they lived there, and they'd only recently moved down here, but they really enjoyed cars, and they thought this thing was awesome, especially since it came from their home. So I did end up winning an award at the car show. I won Diamond in the Rough. I won first place in this, okay? It was definitely not one of those classes where I was the only person in it or anything like that, because everyone else had a show car and I had this thing. But it was awesome to get to win this. And what's even cooler is this trophy was designed by my high school auto tech teacher, and he's the one who made it. So that's even cooler. And it's just really exciting to get to have a trophy, especially since this was the first car show this car has ever been to in its entire life. So it was awesome to get to bring it out there, get to show it off to people, get to talk to people, and people really enjoyed it. So I hope that you've enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed working on this thing. It's going to get parts eventually, but it's got to be put on the back burner because I have a very important project that I'm going to show you soon that we're going to finish here on the YouTube channel that we started about 6 years ago, and it's time to bring it to a close before we bring this thing back. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Continue watching Lucky Jack Racing for more awesome race car, hot rod, and custom content. Thank you very much.
Make sure to like and subscribe.